I actually feel terrible and look accordingly. I don't know what happened, but something happened with my left eye, and now I see that it is even red. Yeah, let's do another speaking. Science. Did you like studying science when you were at school? Why not? I'm still at school, so I can say that science is one of my favorite subjects, and being on those classes makes me very interested in different things, and yeah, I like studying science. What do you remember about your science teachers at school? Uh, by science teachers at school, I probably can talk about physics, chemistry, and I think maybe biology teachers. And so all those people were great, not only teachers but people who were helping the whole my class, me in particular, to understand and comprehend something, and also were advising us in life, helping us to find our paths in this very difficult life. How interested are you in science now? Why not? I'm very interested in science because by science now I can talk about my future speciality. how bad this looks actually, and also this fucking thing on my nose. Yeah, I I look just terrible, and I understand that. Yeah. What do you think has been an important recent scientific development? Why? Recent scientific development, which was something very unusual and very unexpected for me, was I don't know. Let's move to the second part. Yeah, it is describe a tourist attraction in your country that you would recommend. Probably third time I have a question about tourist attractions in my country. What the tourist attraction is, where in your country this tourist attraction is, what visitors can see and do with this tourist attraction, and explain why you would recommend this tourist attraction. Probably I can talk about Bayterek, that, big tower which I mentioned some days earlier. So yeah, in my country there is one very interesting monument which was created not very long ago, about 22-25 years, and that thing is very beautiful attraction in the shape of a tower, very big tower, with a big sphere on its top, and the whole construction called Bayterek, and it is located in our capital of my country, in Astana. So it's something that I would definitely recommend to all people who are going to visit my country, and especially capital of Kazakhstan. And there you can not only admire the building, admire that incredibly interesting monument from a side, just from some streets, but also you can enter it, and by elevator you can go to the top level of the monument. You can enter that big beautiful sphere which is located exactly on the top of the tower, and from that sphere, which is made of a glass, you will have an amazing view on the whole capital, on the whole city. It is something I would want to do myself in a very near future, and I hope I will be able to. Yeah, probably I said, but yeah. Museums and art galleries. So, third part. What are the most popular museums and art galleries in where you live? Or I can say about another city. By the way, I don't know about art galleries. If I were answering this question, I would say, just because I don't know how called, these different types of museums, so I would talk about history museums, and I would say in my city there are a few different history museums. I was at one just a few years ago myself, and that was an incredible experience. In that museum, we have a lot of things from the past of our country, not only our country, but those things are related to the world history. For example, there were something like, I don't know. Do you believe that all museums and art galleries should be free? I think it would be lovely if it would be just great if all museums become free. However, I don't find this idea very possible. Yeah, I don't know how this can be. I don't know how this can be done, because there definitely need to be some people who will look after all the exponent, how they called, all the things in the museum. They will need to just keep the building in a good state, and even talk about those things in the museum, like this is very bad. Let's just answer this second question in the second part. Would you say that large numbers of tourists cause problems for local people? I think some tourists can really cause problems to locals. Um, it also differs from country to country. I mean, countries of people visiting this particular city or country. Yeah, how this is bad. Uh, some tourists are more intelligent, are more polite, and are more uh, well behaving than others. So it can really be very different. However, if talking in general, I think some tourists really cause problems to locals, especially in places which are popular in the whole world. Yeah. I'm sorry about this today. I hope it will not last for a long time. Thank you for watching.